Want to know how to get a Coursera Plus discount step by step? The process is actually very simple, and right now there is a limited time offer that can save eligible new subscribers 50% on the annual Coursera Plus plan. Before we get started, check the link in the description. That's where you can access the discounted Coursera Plus offer and see if it's still available. Step 1 is to click the link in the description. This will take you to the Coursera Plus promotion page where the discount is automatically applied if you're eligible. Step 2 is to review the current offer. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is available for $199 instead of the regular $399. That's a savings of $200 for a full year of access. Step 3 is to choose the annual Coursera Plus plan. This is where the biggest discount is currently available and where most learners get the best overall value. Step 4 is to create a Coursera account or sign in to your existing account if you already have one. Step 5 is to enter your payment information and review the final price before completing checkout. If the promotion is active, you should see the discounted price reflected before you pay. Once your subscription is activated, you'll get access to more than 10,000 courses, specializations, guided projects, and professional certificate programs from companies like Google, IBM, Microsoft, and Meta, along with content from over 350 leading universities and organizations. You can learn in-demand skills such as AI, Python, data science, cybersecurity, business, marketing, and project management, all under a single subscription. You'll also be able to earn certificates for eligible programs you complete and add them to your resume or LinkedIn profile. If you're not sure whether Coursera Plus is right for you, the annual plan includes a 14-day money-back guarantee, giving you time to explore the platform with less risk. The most important thing to remember is that the current 50% discount is a limited-time offer scheduled to end on June 17th, with prices expected to increase afterward. So if you're planning to join Coursera Plus, now may be the best time to lock in the lower annual price. To check the current discount and get started, use the link in the description below before the promotion ends.